Islamabad.
What else? Islamabad.
Kashmir.
Woo! What else? One more. She meron Pakistani jawa? The only in Pakistan. Here. Kabayan. One question. Even one.
Islamabad.
Woo! Islamabad.
Only Karachi. In Pakistan. Mindanao. Visayas. Manila.
Hello, kabayan. Sana all Pakistani jawa. Kabayan. So today we got, since it's winter, cold weather, we got coffee maker. So what we're gonna do is, we will go and we will ask our OFW kabayan to name 3 cities in Pakistan. And if they answer, they will get a coffee maker. Let's go, kabayan. How are you, kabayan? Happy New Year. Kabayan, one question. You guys live together?
Yeah.
Okay, you guys will win this coffee maker. Yeah. So, kabayan, name 3 cities in Pakistan.
Name 3 in Pakistan?
Yes, 3 cities. Even one.
Islamabad.
Woo! Islamabad. Winner. Okay, here. Kabayan, how are you?
We're fine.
Come. You all live together?
Yes.
Okay, come here, sister. Come. With them?
Yes.
Come. Okay. So, one question. If you guys win, you guys will get this coffee maker, huh? If you guys answer. Name 3 cities in Pakistan.
Islamabad.
What else? Islamabad.
Kashmir.
Woo! What else? One more. There. One more. Kashmir, Islamabad. She meron Pakistani jawa? Maybe. One more. Islamabad, Kashmir.
Ano ba? Hoy!
She has also. Yalla. One.
Tagasan ba yun? Oh, taga yun.
Kalas, winner. Thank you, kabayan. Thank you. How are you, kabayan? How are you? One question. Wait. 1 second. 1 second, wait. You are live already here. So, 1 second. You all live together?
Yeah.
Okay. You guys will win this coffee maker if you answer this question. Okay. Name 3 cities in Pakistan and you will win this coffee maker.
I only know Karachi.
Okay.
Wala nang mabahaw.
Which city do you know?
Only Karachi.
Karachi.
Wala kang alam. Mindanao. Visayas. Manila.
Yalla, thank you, kabayan. Thank you.
Bebo, say young bebo, bebo, bebo.